I'm Sunil here from Arclean. I am going to be walking on a laser light roof. This is definitely not one of my favourite things to do. I always ask permission of clients as well. They're happy for me to walk on it because over time what happens is the laser light naturally cracks. So the thing you want to do if you're going to do this kind of work on your own is you need to make sure you get planks like this, which are A, solid, and B, you want to ensure you have a good sense of balance, and finally, your laser light should not be very old. If it's too old, it's going to crack. So the reason why I'm doing this, okay, is to actually get to the gutter. Because there's so many plants that way, I can't actually get to the gutter from a ladder. Otherwise I have no intention of doing this because it's dangerous and definitely not my preferred solution. If you are going to do this yourself, when you move your planks, just always make sure that they are between the struts so you have a really good solid base. Okay folks, I'm here. It's basically going to have to move the planks right along the laser light roof and then back onto the main section of roof, so hope that's useful.